Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to make a group chat in Telegram. So first of all, launch open Telegram application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Telegram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So making a group chat is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the pencil icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find three options: new group, new contact, new channel. Simply tap on the first option, new group. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the people. So simply tap on the profile of the person that you want to add. You have to add more than one person in order to make a group chat. Now after adding all of them, what you have to do is tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to name the group. Simply provide the name to the group, or you can also let it be like this over here. Likewise, you can also upload the photo if you want. Simply tap on the camera icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to upload the photo. Right now, I'm not going to do that. Now after that, you can see over here the group will be created and you'll be able to chat with all of them. So that is how you make a group chat in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.